Welcome to our channel where we keep you updated with the latest developments in the world of technology. In today's video, we will be discussing mobile security, a topic that has become increasingly important as our lives are becoming more mobile dependent. With the rise of smartphones and mobile devices, our personal and sensitive data is more vulnerable than ever before. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of mobile security and the steps you can take to protect yourself. Mobile security is a growing concern as more and more people rely on their smartphones for everything from banking to online shopping. One of the best ways to protect yourself is to make sure you are running the latest software updates. These updates often contain security patches and bug fixes that can help protect your device. Another important step is to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts and helps prevent unauthorized access. It's also important to be cautious when downloading apps. Make sure you only download apps from reputable sources and check the app's permissions before downloading it. Some apps may request access to sensitive data like your location, contacts, or even your camera and microphone. In addition to these steps, there are other ways to protect your mobile devices. For example, you can use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your internet connection and protect your data from hackers. VPNs can also help you bypass geo-restrictions and access websites and content that may be blocked in your region. Another important consideration is the use of public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi can be a hotbed for hackers and cybercriminals, so it's important to be cautious when using them. Avoid accessing sensitive information like banking or personal data on public Wi-Fi networks, and consider using a VPN to encrypt your connection. Finally, it's important to be aware of the potential threats and scams that can target mobile devices. These can range from phishing emails and texts to fake apps and malware. Always be on the lookout for suspicious activity and report anything that seems unusual. These are just a few of the steps you can take to protect your mobile devices. It's crucial to be proactive about mobile security to avoid potential breaches and data theft. Thank you for watching this video on mobile security. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the world of technology.